Mr. Yuras show you how to remove. Now we start remove the front cover. First, we remove the sensor wire and synchro motor wire. Open the side cover. Remove the clip and synchro motor wire. Okay. Okay. Okay, the first you must remove the left hand side first. Okay, pull out the left hand side. After that, center, then right hand side. Okay.
You want to explain the blower?
You like you put light Okay, after remove the drain pan you can see the blower inside. This is a blower valve. I show you where is the blower screw. Yeah, you can see from this cap the screw is inside. You must unscrew and move out. Before you remove the blower you must check the alignment first. Okay, remember the blower alignment before you fix back. This gap is a blower alignment. When you fix back, you must follow this dimension. Okay, unscrew the evaporator coil. After that, unscrew the blower. Okay, so can move. Okay, see? Okay, the alignment is important. When the blower you fix back is touching the body, will make noise. Yeah. Will make noise. Okay, make sure the alignment must be adjusted correctly. When you fix back, see? Okay, pull up the evaporator coil. Okay, take up the blower from left hand side. Yeah, take up the bearing housing and pull up the blower from left hand side. This is a blower. Please remember the shaft. This is the shaft. The screw must be tightened center of the shaft. If you tighten this way, the shaft will uneven and you cannot remove or push in the blower. This is the part we need to remove when we do servicing. Cover, lower, drain pan, and blower. When fix back the blower, insert from left hand side. Sorry, and pull up the evaporator coil first. Insert from the left hand side. When you push in, must point the hole and the shaft. Okay, wait. Okay, now is went in halfway. Over fully inserts. After this, you must adjust the alignment correctly before tighten the blower screw. You need to adjust the blower alignment. Okay, this is correct alignment, and now we can tighten the screw. And remember, cannot over tighten the screw. Okay. Okay, after tighten the blower screw, please fix back the bearing housing. Please remember to fix back the bearing housing. Okay, this is bearing housing look like. The shaft must point to the hole. Okay, you put. Okay, and fix properly. Fix back the evaporator coil. Wait, rush. After fix the evaporator coil screw, please rotate the blower by hand. Make sure the blower alignment is okay. After that, fix back the drain pin. When you fix back, remember, make sure the hose is gripped properly. Okay. Wait. I take here. Okay, fix the drain pin from right hand side. Okay. After that, push in from the left hand side. Fix back the sensor wire and synchromotor wire. and cover properly.
Cover.
Done.